Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export template in CapCut. Before start, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of what is a CapCut template. So CapCut template is a pre-designed video editing that users can use to create their own videos. So templates usually are pre-packaged video sequences that include clips, animations, and transitions. And users can replace the existing content in a template with their own elements such as logos, colors, and fonts. And here, if you want to find and export CapCut templates, you can watch this video till the end. First, if you have an account, you need to create an account of CapCut, and after that you need to navigate to the template section by clicking on this template button. And here you just need to choose the desired template. So just explore and choose the videos that you want, the template that you want to use. You can just explore in here and find the right templates for your videos. Okay, for example, let's just use this one. You can tap on the use template option and you can use videos or photos. That's up to you. For example, here I'm going to just use a photo to fill in the the template. Let's use this one. Tap on next, and before exporting, here you can always review how your videos will look like with the template. You can do some editing. You can click on a video. Here you can use AI effect. You can replace the video or photo if you want to. You can also crop and adjust the position of the photo or video. Here you can also add the filter if you want to, and you can also change the audio if the owner of the templates allows you. You can add or change audio, and you can also change or replace the text. So if you are satisfied with the templates that you are currently using, you can just export it. And to export, you can just tap on this export button at the top right corner, and there are two options that you can do: export without watermark and just export. If you choose the just export option, it will save the template along with the CapCut watermark at the top right corner of the video. But if you want to have the video without watermark, you need to click on this. And before exporting, you can also change the quality of the video if you want to. And when you are done with the settings and everything, you can just tap on export Taiwan. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So give it a thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment in below if you still have question, and don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks for more CapCut videos. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.